story fans, and welcome back to Never-Ending Stories with Elias. Today we're going to be reading Blippi, Let's Look and Find. It's a really fun seek and find book, so let's get reading! Blippi, Let's Look and Find. Text by Thea Feldman. Illustrations by Adam Devaney. Designed by Andrew Bartholomew. Are you ready to search? There is so much to look for at the beach. Lift the flap on the right and find a crab, book, starfish, surfboard, sunscreen, and sandals. Pause my video now so you can search for the items. Now, lift the flap on the left to find these things too. Seashell, striped sailboat, shovel, sunglasses, bucket, and sandcastle. Pause my video now so you can search for the items. Join the birthday party and help me find these party things. Present with red bow, plate, cup, dotted party hat, cupcake, and noisemaker. Pause my video now so you can search for the items. Have fun finding these things too. Teddy bear, balloon with star, spoon, birthday card, ice cream, and a slice of cake. Pause my video now so you can search for the items. Wow! There are so many good things to find at the farmer's market, like honey, bread, watermelon, cheese, potatoes, and pumpkin. Pause my video now so you can search for the items. Look! There are even more things to find, like jam, tomatoes, lettuce, apples, sunflowers, and eggs. Pause my video now so you can search for the items. Let's spend the day at a farm. There's so much to look for, like a tractor, bird and nest, cow, goat, hoe, and chicks. Pause my video now so you can search for the items. Look for and find these things too. A piglet, horseshoe, sheep, pail, duck, and hay. Pause my video now so you can search for the items. Every day at school is so much fun with these things. A class pet, soccer ball, the letter B, clay, a globe, drawing of a star. Pause my video now so you can search for the items. Find even more fun things in the classroom, like a xylophone, locks, guitar, crayon, drums, and a toy truck. Pause my video now so you can search for the items. I love to ride my skateboard in the park. A fountain, bench, butterflies, slide, pigeons, acorn. Pause my video now so you can search for the items. Help me find these things. Flower, squirrel, ice cream cone, rabbit, dog, and swing. Great job finding all the things in this book. Pause my video now so you can search for the items. The end.
Alright, guys! Well, I had so much fun reading the book with you. I enjoyed it. You did too. And remember to rewind the videos so you can find all the stuff. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to read more books with me. And remember, the magic starts when you turn the page. Bye, story fans!